Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So locking your profile basically means locking anyone who search up your Facebook. They can see any of your friends, your posts or your stories. So it just makes everything completely private. Actually, Facebook recently removed the lock profile option for some other countries, and for some of you, it might be hard to lock your profile now. But I will teach you some methods that will possibly and might work for you. I can't guarantee 100% profile lock, but this would likely help. Now, if you want to know more, just stay until the end of this tutorial. Now let's head on and open our Facebook. Now go to your Facebook profile. You can either go through the hamburger button and click your See profile, or if your Facebook is updated, you can just go to your profile icon. Now once you're there, if you can see the meatball button or the three vertical dots beside your See dashboard, click it, and then if you are in professional mode, you need to turn it off. Now just do it like this. Turn off your professional mode. The next thing you need to do is go to your privacy settings. So just go back to your hamburger button and click the settings icon there and go to your privacy, click privacy settings, and basically you need to put everything in here into only me. You can click it one by one and click only me. Now this method will likely make your profile locked or in private. So if it's in only me, no one can see your friends, your posts, your future and past posts. You won't receive any friend requests from people you don't know because they can't access your profile. And basically that's it. Now if this video helped you, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.